Hi guys, Brandon from Brandon Tek Tak. Welcome to lesson number 3 of a Shotcut video editor tutorial. Today we shall be discussing the interface of Shotcut. I'll be talking about the interface in a brief manner, not in too much of detail, because that might actually confuse you. So what we'll do is when we go into real editing, that is the time when you will get to know more about all these commands and aspects of Shotcut. So let's get going. When we first open up Shotcut, this is what we encounter. This is like most of the other programs. You will see this strip up here. This is like the first one is open file, then there's a save, then there's undo, redo, and then the rest of them are actually for opening and closing different panels on Shotcut. This is the playlist panel. If you want to close it, you click on this cross button, it will disappear. So you want to reopen the playlist, you click here, it will reopen it. You want to open the filters panel, you click here, it opens here. And then you can go back to playlist by clicking on these. These are properties, filters, playlist. So this is how you open different panels. And at the top, we also have different workspaces. Like at the moment we are on editing, we can go to logging, for color correction, for audio, for playing back your project, for effects, and most of the time we are going to spend here on editing. So this is at the bottom, the timeline. This is the most important area, or the area where all the editing is going to take place. And these buttons at the top are actually going to help you in editing. But when we do the actual editing, we shall be going into much more detail about all these buttons and what they do. Okay. So I think for the moment, this brief introduction to the interface of Shotcut should be good enough. And in more detail, as I said earlier, we'll see the interface when we do the real editing. Hope you liked this video. Please do click on the like button and subscribe if you still haven't. And wait for the next video, which should be coming soon. In that, we shall be doing the real editing. And see you. Bye.